Hello mga kawawmat! Sa video lesson na ito, you will able to distinguish among exponential function, exponential equation, and exponential inequality. So kung saan, identify natin yung pagkakaiba nilang tatlo. Okay, but first, what is exponential expression? So let's have a short recall. It is an expression of the form a times b raised to x minus c plus d, where b is greater than 0 and not equal to 1. So here are some example of exponential expression. So 4 raised to x minus 1, 5 raised to 2 times the quantity of x plus 3, 9x squared, 49 over 81 raised to x plus 1, and 169 raised to 8x rather. So that is some of the examples of exponential expression. Exponential equation. So what is exponential equation? An equation involving exponential expression. For example, we have 7 raised to 2x minus x squared is equal to 1 over 343. So, ano yung mga dapat nating tatandaan dito? So, from the word equation, so equation, equal. So, kapag nakita natin yung symbol na to, and then, both expression natin dito is exponential. So, 7 raised to 2x minus x squared. This is exponential. And then, meron tayong equals dyan. So, yan yung palatandaan nyo na that is exponential equation. Next. Exponential inequalities, or this is an equality involving exponential expression. When we say inequality, so ano ba yung mga inequality symbol na ginagamit natin? So, meron tayong less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal. So, kapag nakita natin yung mga symbols na yan with exponential expression, so ang tawag natin dyan, that is an example of exponential inequality. So, for example, we have 5 raised to 2x minus 5 raised to x plus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Okay, since yung 5 raised to 2x and 5 raised to x plus 1 ay example na exponential expression, and then meron tayong symbol dito, meron tayong inequality symbol which is less than or equal. So therefore, this is an example of exponential inequality. Next. Exponential function, a function of the form f of x is equal to b raised to x, where b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. So, kailangan hindi mag-equal sa 1 and your b should be greater than 0. For example, so f of x is equal to 1, the quantity of 1.8 raised to x, or we can represent f of x as y is equal to the quantity of 1.8 raised to x. Now, so ano yung mga dapat nating palatandaan? So, in terms of, para ma-identify natin that is exponential function. So, meron tayong f of x and then yung y. So, yan yung mga tatlong tatandaan nyo, yung pagkakaiba ng tatlo, exponential equation, inequalities, and function. Okay, I'll give you more examples. So, determine whether the given is an example of exponential function, exponential equation, or an exponential inequality, or none of these. Okay, for example, we have f of x is equal to 5x squared. So, what do you think? Exponential function ba siya dahil merong f of x? Hindi. This is none of this. Why? Dahil yung base natin dito ay x. So, dapat yung base nyo ay greater than 0 or but less than 1. Since variable yung base natin, so that is not an exponential expression. Next. 2 is greater than or equal to 1/2 raised to x. So, since meron tayong inequality symbol dito and meron tayong exponential expression, so therefore, that is an example of exponential inequality. Another, we have 7 raised to 4x is equal to y. So, meron tayong y dito. Pag meron kayo nakitang y, so ano nga ulit yan? So, that is exponential function. Kasi yung 7 raised to 4x naman is an example of exponential expression. Another example, we have 4 times the quantity of 10 raised to x minus 2 is equal to 500. So, what do you think? This is an example of exponential equation. Another, we have 7 less than 14 raised to x plus 3. 14 raised to x plus 3 is an exponential expression. And then meron tayong equality symbol dito, and that is less than. So therefore, this is an exponential inequality. Okay. It's quiz time. So, pwede kayong mag-ready dyan ng a short, kahit kapirasong papel lang. I prepared 5 questions. And then, I'll give you 1 minute to answer this. Okay, you only have 10 minutes left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so let's check your answers. So for number 1, that is exponential equation. For number 2, that is exponential inequality. For number 3, that is none of these y. So again, so yung base mo dito ay x, and that is variable, so hindi siya exponential expression. And this is exponential function for number 4, and for number 5, that is exponential equation. So pag ang score nyo is 4 and above, so I would like to congratulate you. So you can comment your score in the comment section of this video.